6 Best and Healthiest Flours for Everyday Use. Healthier flour alternative everyone should try. In kitchens worldwide, flour holds a revered place as the foundation of numerous cuisines. Its versatility shines through particularly in Indian cuisine. In India, where staple foods like roti, chapati, or paratha form essential meal components, flour plays a pivotal role as a fundamental ingredient that nourishes both the body and the spirit. However, in today's health-conscious culture, many individuals seek alternatives to traditional wheat flour to enhance nutritional value without compromising taste. Here, we present the top 6 healthiest flours suitable for regular use. 1. Oats Flour. Let's kick off with oats flour, the breakfast superstar among flours. Recognized for its abundant fiber content, oats flour effectively keeps you satiated for extended periods, making it a perfect option for individuals mindful of their waistlines. Brimming with vital nutrients such as manganese, phosphorus, and magnesium, oats flour serves as a nutritious foundation for your dishes, promoting digestive wellness and reducing cholesterol levels. Opt for steel-cut oats over genetically modified and heavily processed alternatives when selecting your purchase. 2. Chickpea, Besan, Flour. This flour boasts ample protein, making it ideal for a wide array of savory and sweet dishes. Abundant in plant-based protein, chickpea flour not only facilitates muscle repair and growth but also assists in weight management by curbing hunger. Moreover, it possesses a low glycemic index, rendering it appropriate for individuals with diabetes or those seeking to stabilize their blood sugar levels. 3. Buckwheat Flour. For individuals in search of a gluten-free option, consider buckwheat flour, also recognized as kutta flour. Despite its name, buckwheat is not a variety of wheat, rather, it is a nutrient-dense seed naturally devoid of gluten. Brimming with antioxidants, fiber, and vital minerals such as magnesium and iron, buckwheat flour promotes heart health, enhances digestion, and sustains energy levels throughout the day. 4. Whole wheat flour. An enduring favorite, whole wheat flour presents a harmonious blend of taste and nutritional benefits that's difficult to surpass. Preserving the bran and germ of the wheat kernel, whole wheat flour boasts greater fiber content, along with vitamins and minerals, in contrast to its refined counterpart. With its nutty flavor profile and adaptability, whole wheat flour holds a permanent place in numerous kitchens. 5. Millet, Bajra, Flour. Crafted from the ancient grain bajra, this flour is brimming with nutrients such as magnesium, phosphorus, and antioxidants. Millet flour brings forth a plethora of health advantages, including enhanced heart health, improved digestion, and fortified immunity. Its subtly sweet taste and airy texture lend a delightful touch to baked treats, infusing a distinct flair into your cherished recipes. However, it's worth noting that this option is seasonal and not advisable for consumption during the summer months. 6. Ragy Flour. Ragy flour emerges as a nutrient-dense choice that has been integral to cuisines for generations. Familiar as finger millet, it boasts a remarkable nutritional composition and adaptability in culinary applications. Abundant in calcium, iron, and vital amino acids, ragy flour delivers a myriad of health advantages, rendering it a favorite selection for individuals aiming to enhance their holistic wellness. Its substantial fiber content facilitates digestion and contributes to sustaining healthy cholesterol levels, while its low glycemic index positions it as a superb option for those navigating diabetes management. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.